Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening clipboard settings so the system will capture items. Press Windows plus V to bring up the clipboard pane. If nothing appears, go to Settings System Clipboard and enable Clipboard History. Once done, turn on Sync across devices and sign in with your Microsoft account if you want access on other PCs. This registers the first items and explains why you'll see multiple entries. The OS now stores text and images for quick pasting. You manage items by pinning or deleting entries so the clipboard stays useful. Open Windows plus V, hover an item and choose Pin to keep something permanently available. Unpin when no longer needed. If you need to remove sensitive data, select Clear All to purge history. For adding, copy text with Ctrl plus C or capture an area. Images and text appear in the history automatically. Make sure to check pinned items after a reboot, because pinned content persists across sessions. You finish by pasting and resolving common problems. To paste, place the cursor and press Windows plus V, then click the item you want. Regular Ctrl plus V still pastes the last copied object. Make sure to toggle sync across devices depending on privacy needs. Syncing explains why the same clips appear on different machines. If sync fails or the pane won't open, turn clipboard off and on in Settings or sign out and back into your Microsoft account to receive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.